To add Lottie animation in Wix. Start by going to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, open your Wix editor and navigate to the page where you want to add the animation. Next, click on the Add button on the top bar of the editor. Then select More from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Lottie and select the Lottie animation app from the search results. Click on the Add to Site button to install the app. Once installed, click on the Add to Page button to add the Lottie animation element to your page. You will then be prompted to choose a Lottie animation file. You can either upload your own file or choose from the available templates in the Wix library. If you don't have a Lottie animation file, you can create one using the Lottie online editor or download free animations from the Lottie website. After selecting your animation file, click on the Apply button to add it to your page. You can then customize the animation by changing its size, position, and other settings. To make the animation interactive, you can add links or buttons to trigger the animation on click or hover. You can also use the Wix built-in animations to create more complex effects. Best practices for using Lottie animations in Wix include keeping the file size small to ensure fast loading times, using animations that are relevant to your content, and testing the animation on different devices to ensure compatibility. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add Lottie animations to your Wix website and enhance the user experience. Lottie animations can help to draw attention to important elements on your page, add visual interest, and create a more engaging and interactive experience for your visitors.